An I-team investigation. Local employees saving for retirement, assuming the money they put into an investment account was actually going there. But after all those years of investing, some daycare workers found that money was gone. The I-team's Leamanczyk tracked down their boss to get some answers.
You can see in my statement that they took that money from my paycheck.
Maribel Pena keeps impeccable records, every pay stub and every statement from her 403B, a retirement account that's similar to a 401k. She worked at Smile Daycare in Roxbury for 20 years and she loved her job. Was never highly paid, but she did make sure to save some for retirement, $23.08 out of each biweekly paycheck. Starting in 2008, her statements show none of that money was invested in her 403B.
Where they put my money? I had to raise two daughters by myself, having 2 and 3 jobs.
Maribel alerted her coworker, Martha Burke, another longtime Smile employee, to the problem with their accounts.
I'm wondering how come they did that to me. It's a lot of questions in my mind, you know.
And have you gotten any answers to those questions?
Not yet. Not yet.
But finding those answers became more difficult. Smile shut its doors in late July. They said financial problems were to blame.
We went to the daycare, but finally got a hold of the owner on her cell phone. She said she'd meet us for an interview at Smile. When we got there, the doors were padlocked and no one answered. They dodged us for a week. But finally, we tracked down Smile's owner, Maryam Mahmood.
So what happened? Where did that money go all these years?
Where did that money go? It stayed in the account. It stayed in Smile Preschool's account, the same account we use for everything.
Smile took in about $1.6 million a year, but Mahmood says she didn't handle payroll or finances. She blames an outside company for the mistake.
I overlooked it as the director. I should have followed through, but I was in the same boat. I just overlooked it.
Shortly after we started making calls, both women received checks for just over $2,500. Neither is satisfied.
They owe me more money.
The $2,500 check covers only the missing money back to 2010. Maribel can prove her money stopped being deposited in 2008. Not to mention, now they'll have to pay taxes on it.
I trusted them over the years.
For the I-Team, Leamanczyk, WBZ News.